by using this energy that was only vamping us, psychically draining us, we can use our abilities that we learned with Lord Belial, such as psychic vampirism, right? We can use psychic vampirism to transmute ourselves at a faster and greater rate. Lord Belial is a vampiric deity. In nature, he is very vampiric, as well as, I wouldn't call it demonic, but infernal. He's very infernal. Like, similar with shamanic tribes, they talk about peyote. Peyote they actually use to connect to Satan. They don't call that being Satan, but I felt similar energies off peyote being Azazel, a Satan, you could say. So, in shamanic cultures, these beings already exist as what's known as an ally, a guardian, a gatekeeper. And to them, they don't look at them as demonic or maybe infernal, but they don't look at them as demonic and such bad beings because they weren't programmed and conditioned with a Christian mindset. With the mindset that is so rampant nowadays because of holy wars, because of fear, because of witch hunts, right? So it's by embracing the abilities in which he gives you, but he doesn't really give you, but he uncovers and awakens within you abilities in which you need to use to master and take over your reality. For you are the source emanation of your empire. You are everything in which you are creating. You are already what you desire. All you need to do is go about the work. You put the work in. And as well, this is actually something that Lord Belial was telling me, and I'll give you as a gift from me to you guys, from him to you guys. I'm gonna give you a brief video in this one on manifestation and actually how you can use Belial to manifest. This is how to manifest with using the energies of Belial, with using Belial as your guide, your counterpart, your companion, what shamans call allies. So the way in which we do this is we grab this is different. I haven't seen Belial's sigil in this way. But we grab a sigil of Belial. I actually might recommend using a different one. This looks pretty close to it, like what I usually use, but this one's also different. But in a sense, so we need Belial's sigil, and then we need his ends. What is his ends? Lirak tasa vefa welik Belial. Lirash tasa vefa welik Belial. Lirash tasa vefa welik Belial. Lirash tasa vefa welik Belial. You vibrate it. As you vibrate, you feel that, right? As you're doing this, see a cloaked being appear in front of you, or however you see Belial, right? As you do this, as you start to, there's different stages to a ritual, such as first preparatory immersion, where you are actually just kind of seeing what you want, what you desire to manifest, what you desire to create, right? And then as you start to write it down, kind of get a vision of it, then you go into ritual with Belial, you start chanting his ends, you tell him what you want. He already knows pretty much, but you tell him what you want through, don't really go with the words, but vibrations, emotion, understanding. And when Belial understands what you desire, that's when you're going to go deeper into ritual, and then you're going to start to say Rieaha Bokana Lian Remequim Belial. Rieaha Bokana Lian Remequim Belial. Rieaha Bokana Lian Remequim Belial. And then as you're going about that, right, the ends in the beginning is just to evoke him. He's in front of you. You see him now. You can interact. Once you visualize something, you can interact with it. So the more that you visualize and imagine him using that energy as well, time is an offering of energy. Your time dies. Every moment, time is fleeting, time is dying. So you can give him this offering of your time, empowering the manifestation, empowering what you desire through the ritual. So as you give him your time, he's giving you energy. You use the energy in the ritual, but as well after the ritual. I'll say in a sense, to physically do the effort that he's energetically putting the work in. To work with him, you must put in the physical effort as he tells you what you need to do, gives you the energy, intuitions, right? Things of this nature. So as you do that, you're now, as you have him, invoke him, bring him into you. So bring that imagination, that visualization into you. And then as you're doing this, you're now seeing from his eyes. You are seeing, in a sense, from dark matter, from a void, from, you could say from the abyss, but not really from that perspective, but you're seeing from the eyes of Belial. As you see from the eyes of Belial, stare at his sigil, or if you have a symbol of your own, stare at your own symbol. But if you have his sigil, then stare at it with as he's in you, right? But as well, if you have your own symbol, such as this is my sigil, I would stare at this during the ritual in a sense. So as I have him in me, I'm using his energies to empower myself, to empower my symbol. We can do this in the same way that when he's in you, imagine your astral self outside of you looking at you with his symbol either on your forehead, well, in a sense to open or activate your third eye, on your heart or on your root. Just try to imagine a symbol just on you, empowering you. And then you, as the observer, are looking at yourself with Belial in you. Belial within you is looking at you, right? Your astral self, your astral double. Because again, if you can see from the eyes of your astral self, this is all helping you get out of your mind, get out of your ego. You're using your powers throughout this ritual. You're understanding what you're doing and what you're creating. This will help you to better it at a faster rate when you understand the process and what you're going through, what you're doing, right? So after doing that, this is now the main step. That was just the preparatory immersion. You're getting yourself, your mind into theta gamma sync. So you're in trance state. Once you're in trance state, this is how you bring the whole world to you. This is how you attract what you desire in trance state. Shamans do the same thing with healing, manifestation. They just go into a slight trance and then they journey. This journey is you imagining what you desire to bring into your life, whether it be a new job, a new career, money, abundance, wealth, a new car, a new computer, stupid human shit, right? Stupid muggle shit, right? But also you can look at yourself, you can see yourself starting to get but you can see yourself starting to get stronger. You can see that you can see your mind becoming more clear as well as you invoke Belial. He has you more focused on the things that you desire, that you need to bring into your life. Don't focus on the frivolous shit that doesn't fucking matter. Don't focus on a lover and asking Belial for a lover, but instead put in the work, and then as you put in the work, those things will gravitate towards you. Using these energies, you can now attract a lover through your charm, your wisdom, your charisma, all from embracing becoming your greatest version. Belial doesn't want a slave. Do not hail Belial. Be lenient. Come to him with respect and be your own self. Be your own greatest version. And from doing that, when you work with Belial, as you come from him, you're just led. You want to become gold. You want to transform yourself into gold. You go to Belial. He's like, this is what I wanted. And then he takes you under his wing. He starts to teach you all of these things. And at some point, you learn his alchemy. You transform from lead into gold through your mind. Your mind is the incubation tank in which you can visualize, imagine, create, empower, do alchemy. It's all through the mind. As well, if you go back on my channel, some of the beginning videos, one of them was to Belial about I think visualization and imagination. So Belial can help you to, as well, through this, master your visualization and your imaginatory abilities, your skills. This is the main skill with magic. The more that you can imagine, see, visualize, whatever it is, you're actually, through quantum physics, your focus, you're now drawing that into your reality. If you can see it in your mind, it is real. It is real. The more that you can use it, it is real. So whatever you're visualizing and imagining, now from this point, see it solidified to physicality, and you're using Belial's energy to help you with this. This is how he teaches you. He helps to teach you through doing the work, through putting in the effort. So that as you have it solidified and manifested right, you're now going to push it all away, as if you didn't do anything. Push it all away. You end the invocation. You thank Belial. You show gratitude. Maybe you give him some offerings, or you did give him offerings. You do some art. Write him a letter. Make a video for him. There's so much in which you can do, but put the physical effort. Put the work in on the physical, where he helps you in the spiritual, the astral, the mental, emotional, and where he helps you in the spiritual, put in the physical work. You guys are working with each other to create a better life for yourself, to manifest and attract what you desire and bring these manifestations into your life. So with that, guys, this is a video channeled by me, made by me, but from Belial. So thank you, Belial. Hail Belial, and I thank you for all that you do in my life. I'm grateful. Honestly, I owe Belial a lot, and I didn't understand a lot from the beginning that he tried to show me. I didn't trust him as much as I should have, and I should have been more trusting. So if anything, I have to say, don't be blind, but put full trust into what Belial is showing you, where he is pushing you, and know that that is a part of your path. Maybe he's getting you to meditate more, be more disciplined, think less about things that are no longer serving you, right? And with that, Belial is the lawless one. He is the Lord of Masters. So use this video, use everything you taught, write it down if you need to. Use this to manifest and create a better life for yourself. Not just from me, guys, although I wish you guys blessings, but as well from Belial. So, from both of us, I hope you have a beautiful day.